Partially erupted wisdom teeth can create hard-to-clean spaces where plaque and food debris may become trapped. A dental professional first examines the wisdom tooth and surrounding area to identify buildup and other possible concerns. Additional cleaning may help clear remaining accessible buildup from areas that are difficult to reach during routine hygiene. The area is gently rinsed to help clear loosened debris and reveal the cleaned, accessible tooth surfaces. After cleaning, the tooth is checked again because suspected decay or other concerns may require separate treatment. Cleaning can remove accessible plaque and trapped debris, but established tooth decay may require additional professional dental treatment. The area is gently rinsed to help clear loosened debris and reveal the cleaned, accessible tooth surfaces. After cleaning, the tooth is checked again because suspected decay or other concerns may require separate treatment. Cleaning can remove accessible plaque and trapped debris, but established tooth decay may require additional professional dental treatment. This video is for general education only. For wisdom tooth concerns, please consult a qualified dental professional.